Right, good evening everybody, hope you're doing lovely. I can guarantee you're not doing as well as me right now. This is Joe, waiting for me to do an intro. I've got him muted so he can't say anything. My beloved KTM, we've done a bit of a trek this morning. We've come all the way down, well, we've done about 200k, I think, to get down to sort of Marseille area. I can't actually remember where we are. We're near Grenoble. And we're in the mountains playing south, like the Parc de Naturel, south of Grenoble, somewhere like that. And look where we've just stopped. The road goes through the mountain. It literally goes through the mountain. Absolutely insane. I don't know whether this audio is going to come out okay, because I've got it clipped onto the bottom of my chin skirt, which is not normally where I put it, but I've got all this extra wiring in so I can listen to, or I can hear Joe / record Joe. Talking of Joe, let's get him back. Hello.
Hello.
Should we go and have a bit of a play? Oh, that is really nice. Nice to get some breeze through the old Jacques way.
Yeah. Oh my word.
Oh shit! I was not expecting that. Oh wow. Oh, I've just got wet. Oh! What is this? Oh! That drop is absolutely unbelievable. What is this road? D76? Yeah. Oh my god. There's something extra special about riding literally through gaps in the mountain.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Probably check where the Swiss border is to make sure we're not anywhere near it, because I definitely don't have my passport on me. Oh, I've just been hit in the face by something massive.
I think I heard that. Oh.
Can't see out of my right eye.
This is absolutely incredible. That drop is unbelievable.
That little tunnel up there. Or this big tunnel here. I'm really sorry, all of France, for the noise that is about to happen.
I can't see the exit. Sorry, there it is. Oh, catering boys, can we stop and get a photo?
Yeah.
How am I going to get off when you're that close to me?
It's your problem, not mine.
Holy shit. Caterhams, that looks like a lot of fun. Bonjour. Oh my god. That is actually unbelievable. I like that there's like just random trees that are...
No.
I want that one there as my Christmas tree. Can you go get it for me?
How about that big one there?
That is the most old man stance I've ever seen on anyone ever before.
Yeah? It's so I don't drop my glove over the edge.
Oh, Harley boys.
That is massive.
That's literally... Oh, it's a victory. No wonder. I wanted to take a photo, but all those caterhams were in the way. Wrong side of the road. Yeah, that'll do. Wang it in there.
Wang you.
Let's go get some food. Oh, after all that faff of me putting my cameras on, I've got to take them all off again. Literally down the road. The shortest intro to a video ever.
But what an intro.
Yeah, I know, right? Right, everyone, we're going to go get some food, and we'll bring you back in a bit. What a place. What a place. Oh my god, I can't believe it's raining. I'm never coming to France again. It's stunning weather we've had for a couple of days now. Those raindrops are freezing.
They're massive, aren't they?
Absolutely freezing.
Oh, that went right down the back of my neck.
SD card. Le SD card. Right, everybody, we've just had lunch in this place. We've been the ridiculous foreigners that haven't spoken a word of French once again. You're on? You're in? You're in. Oh, the beast lives. So we've just had lunch. We had some lovely meat pate thing, which was absolutely banging. It was so good.
Terrine.
The coffee was unreal as well. So we're essentially heading we're here and we're heading up through the national park, pretty much.
Yeah, we're heading north up through the whole of the national park eventually, and then we'll have to head back because otherwise we'll get back at midnight and neither of us have got warm clothes.
I've got heated seat, it's fine. Also, everyone, if you watched the last episode, you know this is Joe. What was it, about a year and a half ago that we were sat at Bike Stop, and George and I were sat at Bike Stop, and you were on your Ducati 999.
Yeah.
Taking the piss out of us for being adventure bike knobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at me.
And then now you have
Fully
an Apple
fledged.
Twin, Shoei Hornet helmet with goggles,
With goggles.
adventure bike
Dick lights.
with Denali dick lights, and you are fully. Oh, you even bought Sidi Adventure 2s. You're not wearing them today, are you? No.
Well, I've got me Denise trainers.
He's got the Denali horn. He's got the Lone Rider pegs, pannier racks, boomot panniers. You're a convert. I love it. Right, let's go before this appalling weather hits us.
Can't believe it. I'm gonna go home.
Go back, you.
Can't see you can get your feet on the floor on that bike.
Shut up. The worst thing about it is the preload's on 60%. It's not even up high.
Oh.
Right, this is a bit of road that I saw down to Saint Laurent et Royal that looks
I've got
incredible.
raindrop in my mouth.
Oh, why is it raining on my face? I don't like it. Yeah, this bit of road looks phenomenal. Oh, these raindrops are actually brutal. They hurt.
It's so cold as well. I don't know why the rain's so cold.
It's been 27 degrees all week, and now it's only 22.
Oh, how dare
what
it.
an absolute piss take. Never coming to France again.
It's disgusting behaviour, isn't it? I did see no one else wearing like mesh jackets or anything. It's almost like they know that when you come up this high it gets cold.
Yeah, I'm still warm though. Oh, look at that view.
And the terrain round here is lovely.
Is that was what it was called, wasn't it? I just called it a meat
terrain.
pate.
It was a joke about the terrain and terrain. You know.
Oh, yeah, I didn't clock that one.
Sorry, my humour's far too educated for you.
Probably not the best road to come on when our tyres have gone cold and it's just been raining. Mind you, I think maybe taking a Joe approach to some of these corners might be the best. Oh, sun's coming back out.
Oh, get on me.
I like France again. Yeah, the only thing is, I don't understand I can't gauge the slippiness of this road.
No.
It
Sometimes
feels
I
quite
feel,
slippy.
yeah. Sometimes like that corner there, just coming out of it, it felt like the rear was trying to go.
Yeah.
But then that was only for about 3-4 meters, and then it was fine. It felt like it wanted to stick again, and I'm not pushing it at all. Also, it doesn't help the fact like there are severe drops like on every corner.
Yeah.
There are some people that have no fear. I am not one of those people.
There's going to be a lot of facing me on the other camera. Yeah, normally when I accelerate hard in third, the front wheel starts, even if I don't do it abruptly, the front wheel starts hovering.
Yeah.
And it's just not on these roads, which is sort of leading me into the fact that they're not very grippy.
Someone definitely came into that corner a bit quick, didn't they?
Yeah. I do hate seeing the skid marks coming into a corner. It properly shits me up that someone's actually had a crash or something.
To be fair, I'd rather see skid marks on a corner than skid mark in my boxes, so...
Oh, look at this, mate. Oh my god. What an incredible bit of road. This is unreal. Oh, hairpin, hairpin, hairpin. Right at the end. When you see the red van, it's a hairpin. Into another hairpin.
Jesus.
This is so cool. I'm fully expecting a group connection lost.
Group connection lost.
There you go. Oh, sorry, Joe. Joe's not the fastest rider in the world on that bike. This road is phenomenal. I just don't trust the corners yet. This is so good! What road is this? The D2? Just go slow, so slow around corners. Full on hairpin. And look at that view as well. This is unreal. I'd never thought I'd be on a road like this. Look at the view. Look at that. Holy shit. 2 tunnels, yes please. Should we wait for Joe? Why does that tunnel look super dark? Hello.
Hello. I've got stuck behind a car, and it's in the section where it's literally like hairpin, 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 hairpin.
Oh, hi. Tunnel. Can't see shit, I've got sunglasses on. This is the darkest tunnel in the world.
Oh my word. I'm about to take the goggles off.
It's very wet under here as well. Try and dry the tyres off a little bit. There's another tunnel as well. There's rocks in the road, by the way. Whoa, tight right corner in the tunnel. Oh, what a view. My exhaust is popping so much. Oh, this bike is actually sublime. I love it so much. I mean, look at this bit of road. This is just a racetrack in the mountains. Actually, a racetrack in the mountains. Oh my god. Oh, pop, pop, pop. A pop, pop, pop. Hi.
Hello.
That was fucking sublime. If I have chicken strips on my tyres when I get back, I'm gonna cry. Probably need that time for my brake discs to cool back down. There was a few of those corners where I had to go in with front and rear brake hard on. Hard on. Yeah, because I was like pulling on the front brakes. I was like, I'm not stopping quick enough. Slam, like stand on the rear brake. Get a little bit of like a squeak coming from the rear tyre. I also really wish I was a better rider. Like, if I could do that with my knee down. Do you see those Tuono and the
V4,
Super Duke and stuff, and Super Leggera, yeah.
Fins and everything.
It was the Street Fighter, wasn't it? Yeah. That kind of thing. They came around one of those hairpins with their knee down. I was like, oh, I feel pretty shit now. I'm going around this at like
They also probably know the roads.
Yeah, true. Thanks for making me feel better, bro.
Les Gots?
Oh, what's Les got?
I don't know.
Should we go and ask him?
Les? Oi!
Hey Les, what you got? What you got there, bro?
Hey, I've got my ripped jeans on.
Been doing some knee slides.